Investing in off-market properties can be a game changer, but nailing the process requires knowing what to look for. We are growthsense.com, your go-to directory for off-market real estate buying and selling, and here are 7 essential factors for analyzing off-market investment properties. Number 1. Location analysis. It's all about where, not just what. Look at neighborhood safety, proximity to schools or transit, and even future infrastructure projects. A well-placed property attracts tenants and grows in value faster. Number 2. Property condition. Never judge a book by its cover. Get inspections done to uncover hidden issues like bad wiring or foundation cracks. Renovation costs can quickly eat into profits, so know them up front. Number 3. Financial analysis. Crunch the numbers hard. Compare purchase price to rental income potential and operating expenses. A good cap rate, say above 7%, is a strong sign, but balance it with the area's risk. Number 4. Market trends. Understand the market's heartbeat. Study historical price growth, vacancy rates, and local rental demand. Seasonal trends can also help you time your purchase smartly. Number 5. Legal and zoning considerations. You can't just do whatever you want with a property. Check zoning rules and title history for potential roadblocks. Avoid future headaches by consulting a local expert if needed. Number 6. Comparable sales. Off-market doesn't mean out of touch. Look at recently sold properties in the area to gauge fair pricing and market demand. Quick sales often reveal what buyers really want in that location. Number 7. Seller motivation. Understanding why the seller wants out gives you leverage. Are they in a hurry? Building rapport can lead to better terms or pricing flexibility, so don't underestimate this step. Find your next off-market gem with ease by exploring the tailored listings and tools available at growthsense.com. Whether you're searching for distressed properties or hidden value opportunities, we've got you covered.